This easy tiramisu recipe makes such a decadent dessert. If you are a fan of coffee, cream and chocolate, then you will love this quick and easy dessert. In this recipe, you don't need mascarpone cheese, no egg, no baking, no mess, and it is super delicious with a mix of taste and texture. Smooth and vanilla flavored cream and coffee soaked spongy lady fingers topped with that contrasting bittersweet cocoa powder. So in this video, let's see how to make this easiest tiramisu in 3 simple steps. As the first step, let's make the cream. Pour in the whipping cream into a bowl. To bring the vanilla flavor, I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla sugar. To balance the sweetness, I'm adding 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We need to make sure our whipping cream is very cold. If it is not cold, it will not whip up well. Now I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of sugar. The sugar that I'm using is unrefined, that's why the color is slightly different. We can use white sugar instead. We don't need to whip it up until it reaches stiff peaks. So I'm stopping when it reached soft peaks. Our cream is now ready. I'm keeping it aside. As the second step, let's make the coffee. We need a strong coffee flavor. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of espresso powder to 1 cup of water. As it is instant coffee powder, we don't even need to add hot water. This is water at room temperature and it will dissolve easily. Now I'm transferring this to a shallow plate. We don't want to add any sugar to the coffee as the lady fingers are already slightly sweetened. So we have everything ready, the cream, coffee and the lady fingers. So as the final step, let's assemble our tiramisu. Soak the lady fingers in coffee, dip both sides quickly and place them onto the tray. And now layer it with cream on top. Again arrange the lady finger biscuits and then again the cream. And now our tiramisu is ready to chill. So cover it and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This will help the dessert to set well and the biscuits to absorb the coffee and the cream. After 4 hours, it's now ready for us to enjoy. Dust the surface with some cocoa powder. This will give a nice contrasting bittersweet chocolate flavor to our tiramisu, which is so good. Every single bite of this tiramisu is filled with a mix of flavors. The vanilla flavor of the cream, that cold spongy coffee layer, and that thin layer of chocolate which nicely complement the flavors. I love coffee and this is one of my favorite desserts. And the good thing is that it is so easy to make. Even without mascarpone and egg, we can make amazing tiramisu at home in less than 10 minutes. And if you want, you can make this ahead of time and keep it in the fridge. For family gatherings or parties, this dessert is something that you can make it in a few minutes and everybody will love it. As we use only few ingredients for making this tiramisu, we need to make sure the coffee, the ladyfingers and the cocoa powder that we use are of good quality. I'm sharing what I used in the video just because I really enjoyed this tiramisu. This instant espresso powder from Nescafe will give nice, rich and creamy coffee. And these ladyfingers are so good. They are super light and they soak the coffee so well. And they are perfectly sweetened, and this is the cocoa powder that I used. So I hope you found this recipe quick and easy to make, and hope you will make this at home, and I'm sure everybody will love it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share it with your friends and family who love coffee and desserts. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.